Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram feedback required problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to go into your smartphone settings and go into the app management and search in app list Instagram. So let me search, open, and click on storage and cache. And the first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage and click on OK. And then you need to go into the permissions and allow all permissions. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go back and open Play Store and search here Instagram. And if you find an update, you need to update your Instagram application. As you can see that my Instagram is up to date. Then you need to go back and open Instagram, and hopefully your issue will be resolved. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.